Welcome to the Summer Life Skills and Family Support Project here at the University of Tennessee. Your role in this program is to act as a guided helper, partnering with students to practice meaningful life skills in their own homes. In this video, we are going to walk through how to turn the rough notes from your first meeting into a complete structured activity plan using Template 2. Before we begin, you will need your volunteer handbook and your completed Template 1 notes, which outline the family's daily routines. Mapping out this specific plan provides the structure and safety needed for a productive practice session. Start by reviewing your Template 1 notes. Look for an existing home routine you can build on, like doing the laundry or preparing a simple snack. The routine you choose needs to meet 3 checks. The student should enjoy it, the family should want to practice it, and it needs to fit smoothly into their normal daily schedule without causing disruption. This is also the moment to establish clear boundaries for your role. You are there to use simple prompts and offer support. You are not a therapist or a clinical provider. That means you do not provide therapy or treatment, you do not diagnose, and you do not create behavior intervention plans. The most successful practice sessions in this program rely directly on natural, everyday family life. Once you have the routine, the next step is to write out your practice goal using our program's official 4-part framework. Our exact formula is: the student will perform a specific action during a specific routine with defined support by a time frame. Let's apply this. By August 2nd, Andrew will participate in a 5-minute treadmill exercise routine using limited verbal or visual prompts. A common mistake volunteers make at this stage is writing a goal that requires the student to perform the task perfectly. The actual target here is to support practice and build gradual independence over the course of the summer. A well-written goal prioritizes realistic, repeated practice in real life over flawless, immediate success. Now we move to task analysis. This is the method of taking that large, complex goal and deconstructing it into smaller, teachable pieces. For the activity plan, you will break the routine down into exactly 5 to 8 sequential steps. If your target is weekly family grocery shopping, you break that big task down into smaller actions like reviewing the checklist, choosing one protein, and choosing one vegetable. When writing these, every step must be an action you can physically see happening. Writing strictly observable steps ensures your end-of-meeting progress notes remain objective and clear. The final requirement for your plan is linking specific physical materials and support strategies to each of those 5 to 8 steps. This mock-up table shows how that information maps onto your official activity plan document. Look at Step 6, check prices and add the total. The required support here is modeling how to use a calculator, and the materials needed are price cards and the calculator itself. During practice, you will use a wait and step-in approach. You must always let the student attempt the step independently before you offer any help. You need to plan for the lowest possible level of prompting required to help them succeed. That might mean pointing to a visual checklist before stepping in with a direct verbal instruction. Pre-planning these exact supports directly prevents you from over-prompting and accidentally stifling the student's independence. Once those columns are filled, you have successfully drafted a complete family-centered activity plan. Next, share this drafted plan with the family to verify that your chosen routines, food options, and budgets actually fit their real lifestyle. You will keep this exact document with you during the practice session to track which steps the student completed and to record your objective weekly notes. And remember, if any uncertainty ever arises regarding boundaries or safety, stop and ask your program lead team for guidance immediately. An organized activity plan prepares you to act as a reliable support partner for the student and their family.